Did anybody attend today Sonal ma'am's class? If you have attended, how did you find the class? Good, good, sir. Okay. Did not attend. Can we get the recording? Yes, you will get the recording. No need to worry, Rohit. But I'll give it tomorrow, okay? Because I'm dead tired right now. I can't download. I'll give tomorrow. So let us start, people, without wasting any time. Inductive logical thinking, don't worry about that. Look at the question. Mark the object which does not fit the rule. Fast. So is it A, B, C, D, E, F, G? What is the answer? First, tell me what is the rule? What is the rule here? Yes, Danish, can you unmute and tell me what is the rule?
So the number of sides keep increasing after each
Very
step.
good. Sir, 3, then 4, then it should be 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So option C had to be 5, but we have only 4. Now look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the rule. So answer should be option C. Clear, all of you? Next one. Fast. Last one. Am I right? Again, it is the same. Ascending order it should be, but the last one is not following the rule. This one. A, B, C, D, E. Third one. Sir, 3 sides inside 4 sides, 4 sides inside 5 sides, 5 sides inside 6 sides, 4 sides inside 5 sides, which means what? The inner one should have more number of sides, but only in option C, the inner one has less number of sides. Okay, so this is my explanation. I think it is the same for you. Try this one. Yes, Sahil. Why is it E? Can you tell me? Unmute and tell.
Sir, all the alphabet can be written with 3 strokes, sir. For A, you just need 3 lines. For H,
Correct.
Z, and N also.
Correct. And even H. But E, you need 4 lines. So my answer is E. I hope the concept is clear. Next one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. People, can I say it is going in anti-clockwise? This is coming here. Now this will go here anti-clockwise. This will come here, that is here. Now this should come here, that is here, and this should come here. Okay, but it is going here, so this is wrong. It had to be here. The answer is F. This one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Can I say both of them are 180 degree? Difference is 180 degree, but here difference is only 90 degree. This has been rotated only by 90 degree. So answer is F. Sir, F had to be 180 degree, which means the mouth should have been opened this side. Is it clear? Rahul, is it clear? Fast, Rahul, fast. Next one. This is quite simple. Let me not disrespect you. Try this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What should be the answer? Can I say this should come clockwise 180? Now see, if I rotate this clockwise 180, it will be this diagram. If I rotate this clockwise 180, it will be this diagram. If I rotate this clockwise 180, it will be this diagram. Am I right? But if I rotate this clockwise 180, it won't be this diagram. It had to be downwards. So answer is option D. Many of you have given different answers. Are you convinced? Okay, so Rohit Karthik says directly tell opposite direction. No. Okay, fine, Rohit. All of you, I hope all of you are convinced that answer is option D. Now let's go to the next one. Try this sum. Very good. Answer here is E. Last one. Mark the one which does not fit the rule. Ritika, why is it F? Are you there, Ritika? Okay, you can't speak. Yes, Danish, why is it F? Fast.
Sir, after the third image, after C, all the images are like mirror images basically.
Very good. So
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 the
this is
last
mirror
one
image. This
should
is
be
the
on the other
mirror
side.
image. Huh.
So in the F, the first triangle should be on the right side.
You mean to say it had to be here?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Am I right, people? The mirror image of A and F is wrong. Sir, mirror image of A should have been something like this. Triangle here and triangle here. Very good. Okay. So if we are done with this, let's go to the next exercise. Are you all able to see the screen? I think first time you'll not be able to see. I know. No, sir. Okay, so let me again share it. Okay, now switch challenge. Okay, one very important topic. Now look at this diagram. Okay, so you have to number this by default as this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now look at the resultant diagram. Orange is coming. Orange is what? 2. Blue is what? 1. Green is what? 4. Red is what? 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. So if this symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, if it goes inside, from where will it come out? It will come out from 2, 1, 4, 3. It will come out here. So this is my answer, 2, 1, 4, 3. I hope the concept is clear. Can you try this one and give me the answer fast? See, Tushar, I'll repeat this one. So this will be my 1, this will be my 2, this will be my 3, this will be my 4. You always mark the input. Now look at the output. 1 is coming here. Am I right? 2, triangle is coming here. 3, circle is coming here. 4, hexagon is coming here. So my answer should be 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2 means it will go in the funnel and it will come out through this. Is it now clear? Tushar? You just have to find out what is the sequence. Try this one, people, fast. Within 10 seconds. Option A, B, C, D. 4, 1, 3, 2 is the answer. Superb. Now this one. Now see, this is level 2, okay? How we are doing this is this way. Now this is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, this is my 4. Now they are telling it is going inside in what pattern? 2, 1, 3, 4. Now this 2 will become my 1. Now 2 is coming in the first position, am I right? So 2 is becoming 1. Sir, 1 is coming in the second position. So this will become my 2. Okay, and 4 will be my third position. So this is 3, and 3 will be my fourth position. So this is my new pattern. Now when it goes inside, how is it coming out? Okay, now orange means what? Orange is nothing but, what is the latest one? 3. Red is what? Red is nothing but 2. Blue is what? Blue is nothing but 1. Green is what? Green is nothing but 4. So answer is 3, 2, 1, 4. That is this one. Is it clear, all of you? Yes or no? Fast. Let's go to the next one. This one. Now I want you to give me the answer. Shreya, you're giving so fast. How come? Kind of easy. Okay. All of you. So pattern is 3, 4, 2, 1. So 3 is becoming my first one. Okay. 4 is becoming my second one. 2 is becoming my third one. And 1 is becoming my fourth one. And now I'm getting orange. So it is 2. That is only this one. But still, let me verify. Okay. So it will be 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 1. So answer is option C. Good, good, Shreya. People, 2, 4, 3, 1, option C is the answer. Kumud, is it clear? Okay, be careful. Now, answer this, people. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So red 2, 1, 3, 4 is the answer. 2, 1, 3, 4. Clear? Yes, Soumya, can you unmute and ask your doubt? Let's discuss. Have I given an option for you to unmute? Yes. Soumya's doubt is, sir, can't we take the given number as reference rather than 1, 2, 3, 4? Will you still get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Because this is level 2, okay? So, okay, let me check. So you mean to say you take this as 4, 3, 2,
3,
1?
2, 1. Yes, sir.
This way? Are you sure?
So
This
it will
way?
be 2, 1,
2, 1,
3, 4.
3, 4. Are we getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Let us check the previous one. Try this one. So if I take this as
3, 4, 2, 1.
2, 1, here it will be, here it is changing, no?
Oh, yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next one, people. People, now be very careful. No, Ritika, it does not work. Live demo we did. Try this one. This is level 3. Shreya is giving very fast. I want you people to be fast here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 2, 3, 1. You have to be careful, don't get confused. 4, 2, 3, 1. Now green. Green is what? 1. So this will be 1. Blue is what? 3. Red is what? 2. Orange is what? 4. So 1, 3, 2, 4. Do we have that? 1, 3, 2, 4. Option A. Shreya, is it clear? Others, is it clear? Yes or no? Fast. Shivshant, can you unmute yourself? See, I'll explain. This is my reference. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're telling 4 should become 1. So 4 should become 1. 3 is in the second position. So this 3 will become 2. 2 is in the third position. So 2 will come to the third position. 1 is in the fourth position. So 1 now will go to the fourth position. We are not again drawing diagrams, okay, putting green at the last and all. Now they are telling again it is getting changed. Okay, whatever is in the fourth position now will become in the first position. Whatever is in the second position will be in the second position. Whatever was there 3 in the third position and 1 will go to the fourth position. Is it clear? Can we use papers? Yes, they will give you rough sheets. Don't worry. Okay, they will give you rough sheets plus you will get 6 minutes time. So you will have some time. Mr. Shivshant, are you convinced? Okay. Now, so I'll repeat this part, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now they're telling whatever is in the fourth position will become first. Whatever is in the second position will be second. Whatever is in the third position will be third. Whatever is in the first position, whatever is 1, that will be the fourth position. So green is here. Green is latest position is this one. So green is 1, blue is 3, red is 2, and orange is 4. So answer is 3, 1, 3, 2, 4. They informed not to use paper for. They informed not to use round paper. They informed not to use paper for round 2 and 3. Ritika, how sure are you? Who told you this? Coordinator told. Rohit, in your college, anything like this was told? Reva people? That you will not be able to use paper? Kumut says yes, Ritika says yes. Okay.
Yes,
if you
yes.
don't use pen and paper, then it becomes really difficult for you to solve. Am I right, people? Okay, let us try, okay, without using pen and paper. Next one, let us see if you're able to solve. Try this without touching the pen. Without touching the pen. But people, don't you think it is difficult? Without touching the pen, don't you think all this becomes difficult? It's actually almost very difficult to solve without touching the pen. Okay, but still, okay, if people are telling, sir, without touching pen only you have to do, I will go with this method. Okay, now see, here I have 4, 2, here I have 1, 3, here I have 2, 4. Okay, here see, 1 is there, 1 is there, so I'll not go with the first. Now let me take last two, let me focus only on the last two. Okay, now fourth, whatever is there, it is coming in the third position. Okay, so whatever is there in the fourth is coming in the third position, or whatever is there in third will go to the fourth position. So this will become fourth position. Remember, only you can focus on only one thing, okay, all of you. So whatever is in the third position is going at the last. Am I right? So this is my new fourth position. Now this fourth position is becoming my third position. Am I right? Whatever was my fourth position, now it is becoming my third position. So this is my third position. Now tell me, which means can I say this should be 3? Now which option third position is 3? Oh, no option. One second.
So we can check. Yeah.
I'll tell. Okay, I think I've gone wrong. Let me correct myself. Then you can tell.
Yes.
Okay. So whatever is in fourth will come to third position. Whatever is in third will go to fourth position. So this is my new fourth position. And now they are telling whatever is in the fourth position, now it will come to my third position. So this is my third position. And this third position is staying here only, which means I'm wrong somewhere. Yes, now can you tell me?
Yes, so we can check for the last digit. Like in the options, all the last digits are different. So
2,
we
3,
can
4. That is what I thought initially, but how will you get?
But yeah, we'll get it for last option. You can check it once.
Tell me.
Okay, the square is the fourth one. And so it will take the third position there. So it will be 3. And then that third position there is taking 1. So the option there is 3, 2, 4, 1. So the answer should be 3, 2, 4, 1.
1 second, okay. So
Yeah.
fourth position is becoming
3.
Third position.
Yeah. And
No,
next
1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah.
So 4 is becoming position number 3.
Yes.
Okay, correct.
And then later
then
it will become 1.
Whatever is in the third position will become position number 1. So this
Yeah.
will basically be position number 1.
Yeah.
And position number 1 is in the last.
Yeah. So 3, 2,
So
4,
where
1.
is the option? Acha, this is the option.
D.
No? 3, 4, 2.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Acha, I was thinking these are the options. Okay, let me try my method. Have I gone wrong? Let me try. Okay. So what I will do is, she took the last one. I will take this one. So third position is going to the fourth position. So this is my fourth position. Now fourth position is coming to third position. Okay, fourth position is coming to my third position. So this is my third position. And here also it is third. So last second should be 3. Okay, again, I'm wrong. Why am I going wrong? Don't worry, people, learn from my mistake. So let me do it aram se. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they are telling third position should become your fourth position. So this is my fourth position now. Now they are telling fourth position should become your third position. So this again becomes my third position. And this third position lands up in third position. So 3 should be 3 only, no. So last second should be 3, which I'm not getting. Anybody getting to know where I am going wrong? It becomes really difficult without the pen. Now let us try using the pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position will become my first position. First position will become my second position. Fourth position will become my third position. And third position will become my fourth position. Now again here 3, 2, 4, 1. So third position will become my first position. Am I right? And second position will be my second position. Fourth position will be third. First position will be fourth. Now green is coming here, so it is 2. Blue is 4. Red is 3. And orange is 1. 2, 4, 3, 1. Do we have this option? No. I think the answer is 2, 4, 3, 1. Do you agree with me? Which means I was right. I think here options are wrong. If this was quant, no, I would have directly told you answer is 2431, but I've not practiced so much, so I'm a bit skeptical. So answer is 2431, which means this has to be 3. Which means whatever I explained initially, it was right. Am I right, people? So this is my third position. Sir, third position is going to fourth position, so this becomes my fourth position. Fourth position is coming to third, so again this is third, and third is becoming third, which means it should end with 3. So I can do this without touching the pen if I focus on only one syllable. Now, people, can we do this without touching the pen? Let's try. Okay, answer should be option A. Now I'll focus on any one. You focus on this. Okay, first position. Now first position is becoming my fourth position. So this is my fourth position. Now they are telling fourth will again become first. So this is my first. Now first is becoming first. Now I have two options. Okay. Now I have to check with the next one. So this is my second position. Second is becoming third. So this becomes my third position now. And now third is becoming third, which means it is here. This is also my third. Now third is becoming second. So this is 3. Answer should be 1 3 1 3. Answer is option A. People, can you answer this one? Okay, not. We'll try level 3 only. Okay. Can you answer this one? I think this is what we answered now, no? Which was wrong. Question was wrong. Which was that? Okay. Try this one, people. Give me the answer. Focus on one character. So much time, huh? Kumar has given the answer. Okay, let me focus. Okay, let me take fourth. I'll focus on fourth. Sir, 4 is becoming 1. So this is my first one. Am I right? Now 1 is becoming 3. So this becomes my third position. Okay, so this starts with 3. Oh, I have 3 options with 3. Okay, so I'll take green now. Second position is being second only. And then second position is becoming fourth. So this becomes 4. 3, 4. I have 2 options. Okay. Now let me check with red. This is becoming third position, and then third position is becoming first. 3, 4, 1. So answer is option C. Clear, all of you? So we can do this without touching the pen. I want you to do this without touching the pen. All of you. Answer is option B. People, why so much time? 2. 2 is coming to the first position, so it becomes 1. 1 is becoming again 2. 2 is here, so which second has 2? Option A or B. Now try the first one. 1 is becoming 3. Am I right? And 3 is becoming 3. So this is 3. 1, 3 I should have. So this is 1. 1 is becoming going in the third position. So this is 3. All of you. Now 3 is going again to the third position. Okay, so this has to be 3. Now let's look at green. Second position is going to first position. So this becomes 1. And first position is going to second position. So this is 2. So wherever I have 2, 3, that is my answer. Okay, I have 2 2 3s. Okay, so let me check others. 4 is becoming 2, and 2 is going to the 4th position. So this is 4 2 3. Answer is option B. Yashashri, can you unmute yourself? Are you there? Can you unmute? Okay, network issue. Okay, now see, just pick any one. Okay, can I say this is my 4th digit? Just say yes or no, Yashashri, if you have understood. This is my 4th digit. Am I right? Okay. Now they are telling 4 is becoming how much? 2nd digit. So this becomes my 2nd. Yes or no? Okay. Now 2nd is becoming my 4th. So can I say this again is becoming 4? So final value of this one is 4, and it is starting, and here orange means 4. Okay, which means answer can be B, C, or D. Answer cannot be A. Now look at blue, 3rd position. Now look at this one, 3rd position is going to last. So this becomes my 4th position. And now 4th position is coming to 1st. So this becomes my 1st position. So this will be 1. So 4 and 1, that is option B. Is it now clear? Super. Now all of you solve this without touching the pen. Oh my God, we have 5 symbols now. 5. I already got the answer. Answer is option C. I can't believe I'm faster than you people in this. I am focusing on blue, okay? All of you. I'm focusing on blue. Sir, 3 is going to 5th position. So this is my 5th position. And now 5th position is still in 5th position. So this is 5th position, which means blue is 5. 3rd digit, which is 5, is option C. Are you all with me till here? Yes or no? Very good, very good. All of you are able to understand? Anybody who's not able to understand, please let me know. Superb. Now, all of you, shall we have a competition? Even I will not touch my pen, okay? I'll also be like you. We'll have a competition, okay? Who will answer first? Is it you or me? As soon as you get, you answer. As soon as I get, even I will leave a chat. Okay? So let us start this one. Try people. Good. Many people are going wrong. So let me look at green. 2. 2 is going to the 1st position. And then 2 is going to the 4th position. So green is nothing but 4th position. 2nd digit should be 4. I think it is none of the options. 2nd digit should be 4, right? My God. And you people are even giving answers. I can't believe. This is my 2nd. 2nd is becoming 1st. So this becomes my 1st. And now 1st is becoming 2nd. So this is my 2nd. And here I'll have 2nd. So 2nd digit should be 2. So I have either it will be option A or it will be option B. Now let me look at red. 1. 1 is becoming 4. So this is my 4th position. And 4th position is becoming 3. So this is my 3rd position. So here it will be 3 2. Answer should be 3 2. Option B. Okay, I'm not happy with your speed. One more. Who will answer this fast? You or me? Let's start. Option A. I'll score more than you people here. Answer is option A. So much time you people take. Rohit, are you there? Why aren't you getting the answer? Good, Uma Shankar. Good, Shreya. Okay. 2 is becoming third position. So this is third position. Okay. And third position is becoming fifth. So this is 5. So I got an answer will be either A or D. Now blue. 1 is becoming fourth position here. So this is my fourth position. And fourth position is again being 4. So this is 4. 5, 4. Answer is option A. End of the story. Okay. People, I'm still not happy with your speed. So next one, okay, one more. We are doing this without touching the pen. Who's doing first? Let's check. Competition start. So fast, Rohit. 1, 4. So okay, I'm still solving. Okay. So answer is either A or B. Let me still solve. Answer is option B. B for beta. So Vinayaki is faster than me. Rahul is faster than me. Danish, Shreya, slower. Not they were fast, but they gave wrong answers. Okay, so let us go to the next one. Let the competition begin. Oh, this time it is 6. Oh, this is easy. This stuff is easy, right? Okay, so I think you got an idea about this game, all of you. Okay, now we will go to the next game. Yesterday, where we got stuck. Last game. But I'm thinking, how can you do this game without touching the pen? Level 1, we were able to solve, okay? Level 2. How can you do this without touching the pen? I think we can annotate on screen or something. But I don't think they will have so much of hardware. PPT not visible, all of you? Whatever I've shared? Okay, 1 second. Now it will be visible. Now people fast, let us solve this. Now try, okay, 2 minutes. Let me know if you're able to solve without touching the pen. Option D says Kumud. Kumud, are you there? Can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Kumud, now see, here star means I cannot have star here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I cannot have star here.
Yes, sir.
Which means I can either have star here or I can have star here. Am I right?
Yes,
but
sir.
Here I should. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. So I cannot have stars here and here. So this 2 is gone, which means I can have a star here or I can have a star here. They're asking this. If I have a, I cannot have a plus here, which means I should have a plus here.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
I cannot even have circle and this one here. So here, these two positions, one of the two will come. This will come here, this will come here, or it will be ulta, but plus and star will come here. Okay, so I cannot have a plus here, so plus has to come here. So answer is option C.
Plus C.
Okay, next one. All of you. So much time, huh? People, see, if plus is here, plus cannot come here, which means plus will come here. If plus comes here, what is remaining? Remaining is rectangle. So rectangle will come here. So I cannot have a plus here. I cannot have a plus here. I cannot have a plus here, which means I can have a plus. Now, is this enough?
So, sir, star, we can't put the star in this column, and this column. And last one, only this eclipse is there. So we can put only star in question mark. That's it.
Can you explain again?
Sir,
We will address, okay, like this. So this
okay.
is box
So
number
in
1,
second column, sir, in second column we can't put the star. In third column also we can't put the star. In
Correct.
last column also no, we can't put the star. So we can put
Wow.
only this one.
Superb. All of you clear? Good. Good way to analyze. Sometimes we have to learn from our students also. Try this one, people. So fast. Okay, I will tell you how I will solve. If you have a faster way than mine, then please do let me know after I finish. Now see, if circle is here, circle cannot come here, which means circle can come here or here. But circle cannot come here because already we have a circle, which means circle has to come here. Now if circle is here, I cannot have a plus here, which means here star will come and here plus will come. So answer is plus, option C. Now anybody whose method is faster than mine, please let me know. Or if it is same, type as same. Or if it is lengthier, write as lengthier. Let me know. Let me see if you people are with me or
it's
slower
only
than
2
me.
steps.
Huh?
Hello.
Yeah.
So it's only 2 steps, sir.
Yes.
Here we can't put plus. Here we can't plus. So only the option is here. Only we can put plus.
I didn't get you.
So this position, the second column, second last row. Sorry, second row, second last column. We can't put plus there.
Yeah, we can't put plus.
Second last column. Yeah. And below there, the last row.
Also, we
there
cannot
also
put
we can't put plus.
So here plus will come. Wow.
So yeah.
Very good. So this is, I think this is faster than mine. Okay, but you know we have to analyze. Good man, good gentleman, good. Okay. Next one. People try this sum. Yes, Uma Shankar, can you tell me how did you do?
Sir, beside the rectangle towards the right side, you can put the plus there, sir. Plus, you can't put the. You can put towards the right side. You can put plus.
Tell me which row, which column.
First column, sir.
Hmm.
First column after the triangle, you can put the plus there.
Here.
So after that, you can put triangle, or after towards the left side, you can put the no, not triangle, sir. Sorry.
See, this is already confusing. Don't confuse more.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, I will. Danish, can you tell me how you are solving?
So in the second position, the question mark position, and
Huh.
the last position, those are the only two places where the star can come. But
1 second. Why?
so because other two are filled, and the third one has a star already in that column.
Hmm.
So second or fifth position are the only option for a star. But as we go in the top, in the top column,
Huh.
there will be a star here.
So star cannot come here. I will write star here. If star is here, then here circle will come. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if star is here, this is here. I cannot have triangle here. And I cannot have this one also here. What is this? Blue also here. So already star is out, plus is out, blue is out, and this is out. So I'm left with circle. All of you, is it clear? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Okay, superb. So all of you are with me, right? Now try this one. Just cancel out whichever is not possible. Blue plus orange. I'll tell you how I will be doing. See, here triangle cannot come. If triangle cannot come here, triangle will come here. If triangle is coming here, here competition is between triangle and star. So triangle is out, answer is star. This is how I am doing. So if your method is faster than mine or same or slow, type fast. Is it fast, same or slow? Okay, nobody slower. Fine. Now this one. Now my method, star cannot come here, star cannot come here. So the only position left is this, and here only star comes. This is bacha problem. Okay. Now try this one. Give me answer. B, many people are telling triangle. See, definitely it cannot be a star. Definitely it cannot be blue. Definitely it cannot be orange. Competition is between plus and triangle. Sir, I cannot have plus here. Okay, which means plus can come here or here. Plus and triangle. So you mean to say plus cannot come here. Anybody, can you explain in the easiest way how you got B? Yes, Danish, can you tell?
Sir, there are no constants for the triangle, so it will come anywhere.
There are no?
There are no constants for the triangle because there's no triangle in the figure, so I think you can put it anywhere.
So like that is why you told triangle, huh?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Because
Super.
those were the only options.
Okay, let me, but it can even be plus here, no? Great way of solving. Okay, now let me check. Okay, people, if I look at this, plus cannot come here, plus cannot come here, which means, sorry, star cannot come here, star cannot come here, which means star will come here. So here I cannot have box. If I cannot have box here, which means box will come here. If box is coming here, then here I'll have circle. Plus, so plus is not coming here, plus should come here or here. Okay, not circle, this is triangle. Correct, this is okay, we already got. Sir, if triangle is here, triangle cannot come here, triangle should come here. Is it clear, all of you? I repeat, okay. Sir, star cannot come here, star cannot come here, which means star will come here. If star comes here, box cannot come here, which means box will come here. What is remaining? Triangle, so it will come here. If triangle is here, triangle cannot come here, which means triangle will come here. Or even triangle can go up. I can have triangle here also. Okay, now I need to put plus. Now if I cannot put plus here, which means plus has to come here. So answer is plus. Is it clear, all of you? Yes or no? Ritika, I have done it correctly. Answer is plus. Others, I want all of you to answer. Have you all understood, or you want me to explain once again? Fast, everybody. Explain. Okay. Now see, I'll explain once again. What a beautiful sum this is. But I'm thinking, how will you people solve without touching the pen? So star cannot come here, star cannot come here, which means star will come here. Sir, if star comes here, this blue color cannot come here, which means blue color will come here. Square will come here. Okay, now what is the only remaining part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only remaining part is triangle. So triangle cannot come here. Triangle will either come here or triangle will come here. Now what is remaining here? Plus. Am I right? No, plus cannot come here. So plus, one second now. So this is done. So triangle cannot come here. So either triangle will come here or triangle will come here. This position, what happened? I think I went wrong now. Okay, so I hope till here it is clear, all of you. Now I only forgot the logic. So now star is done, box is done. Now people here, correct. Now see, circle cannot come here, circle can come here, or circle can come here. But it is becoming lengthy. Yes, Shreya, can you unmute and tell?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, in the fourth row, the last column, there's a circle.
fourth
So
row.
there can't, yeah,
Huh.
last column. So there can't be a circle in the third row, last column.
Third row, last column. Third
So
row,
there has to be
last
a
column.
circle, yeah, next to the box.
So here I cannot have a circle.
Yeah, so there has, no. So there has to be a circle next to the star. Second column, third row.
Second column, third row.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. This.
Yeah. So there has to be a triangle in the next to the plus on top. There can't be a plus there, right? So there has to be a triangle. Second column, first row.
Address as, see, this is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like that. 2,
Okay.
1, 2, 2.
Okay. So now in 1, 2, there has to be a triangle. There can't be a plus.
Here,
Yeah.
why can't there be a plus?
Because there's a plus next to it. No, in 1, 3.
So here plus should come here or here.
No, there it's a circle. In 3, 2, it's a circle.
Why circle can come here also, no? 1, 2.
No, sir. See, here in there can't be a circle in the last column.
I'm talking about this one.
Okay.
1, 2.
Yeah.
Correct, no?
Yeah. So it'll just
no,
reverse.
Wait. Already you're confused. Now let me do. You also do.
Okay.
I did it that time, I forgot. Okay, 1 second, people. Now circle cannot come here, circle cannot come here, which means circle can come here or here. Plus cannot come here, so plus can come here or here. I have a star. Think.
So, hello.
One second.
Sir,
yeah. Shreya.
In 3, 3, there's already a triangle. So there to its left, there has to be a circle only. And then the triangle has to go to 1, 2.
You mean to say here you have to get a circle?
Yeah, and then triangle will be...
circle here.
No, because if you put a circle there, the triangle will come to 2, 2, 3. It's not possible.
Triangle can come here also, no?
Triangle can't, it has to be a plus. Okay, we'll do it from the beginning.
Box. Oh God, this is actually a bit confusing.
Sir, in competition only between the plus and this triangle. So
Competition is between 1 second. So blue is gone, orange
yes,
is gone.
Yes, sir.
And star is gone.
Yes, sir.
So
competition only between these two. So here we can't put the plus in topmost. So here we put the triangle and question mark, we put the plus symbol.
No, here I can put anything, no.
There, sir.
Yeah, here I can put circle, no.
Okay.
Am I right?
So why we are focused on this one, sir? We are focused only on the question mark. Correct?
I know question mark, but here I can put circle. If here is circle, okay. You mean to say here what you can put? Triangle.
Yes, sir.
So I can put triangle here and plus here, no.
So okay, in there we can't put this. Sir, we check once. We can't put the star and we can't put in question mark. We can't put the circle and square we can't put. So competition between only two, this plus and square triangle. So here in topmost we can't put the plus. So we put the triangle, and here only option is the plus symbol.
See, I understand. Okay, here I cannot put plus, which means I can put plus here or I can put plus here. This
Yes,
is
sir.
what I'm getting to know.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shreya.
Okay, see, now in the third row, there can't be a circle in 3, 5. Okay.
3, 5.
So there can't be a circle in 3, 5. So
Correct.
it has to be there in 3, 2. Only then the entire set will be complete.
You mean here?
Yeah, only then the entire set will be complete.
And here what we will have?
Here we'll have plus, I guess, plus. Only then the entire set will be complete.
Correct. So
Now,
here I will have a plus. Over. Good.
Yeah.
Is it clear, all of you? Oh, what? This was. All of you, are you there with me or you slept off? Superb. Okay. All of you have understood. Now, level 3. Try this one. Answer is star. Am I right? I cannot put moon here because moon is already there, plus is already there, triangle is already there. Okay, so I'll do it again. So moon is already there. What else is there? Plus and triangle. Plus is there, triangle is there. Orange, I cannot put it here. So circle is also gone. And blue is already there in this last part. So I can't put blue here. This is also gone. So I'm left with star. Okay. Try this one, people. Choose the correct answer. I think your question is wrong because we are having 2 stars in the last column. How can we have 2 stars in last column? Am I right, all of you? I think question is wrong. Okay, try this one. Try, people. So here triangle cannot come, here triangle cannot come, which means here triangle should come. Answer is triangle. Are you all with me? Superb. Okay, so this completes level 1, 2, 3 of this game. Okay, so now I hope you have got an idea, but you need to practice a bit. Okay, this is what I feel. How do you feel about games, all of you? But I'm really scared if it is without touching the pen. If you have to do it, it becomes a bit difficult, especially the last game which we played. Okay, tricky. Yes, Rahul, level 3 is very tricky, interesting and tricky. Level 3, but level 1 and 2, I think we can manage. Okay, fine, all of you. So technical done, verbal done, psycho, I've given you an idea. Games we have played more than you. I have played. I have learned the most from my mistakes. Okay, so with this, I wish you all the best for Capgemini. I hope all of you get selected. Please let me know after you finish, how did you find the test? Okay, I'll be really waiting for you to give me an update. Okay, how was the technical, how was the verbal, how was psychometry, and how was games part? Okay, please keep me informed about it. All the very best. I hope all of you clear the first round and also the interview part. And let me know the good news soon. All the best, people. Take care, prepare well, and sleep well today. Very important, sleep well. Even if you don't practice, it's fine. You need to sleep well. Okay, all the best, people. Take care. Bye.